Hello, good morning. This is the day I look forward to, Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is my favorite time of year because it's the only time when I can really see my family because everyone's so busy and I get to cook for them. All right, I'm gonna bring you along with me, but before that, I'm actually gonna show you how I threw myself together to look decent for this vlog. I'm gonna start off with my routine using a peeling gel. And a peeling gel gently exfoliates all the dead skin layer, so once I wipe this off, my skin feels super smooth and polished. And it's ready for the next step, which mainly consists of deep hydration and treatment. And on days where I don't want to use foundation or even a skin tint, I'll just use this eye cream that's also a lavender tone-up. My secret weapon is this powder, Portrait Mode by M. I made this powder for people like myself who have textured skin, and I want it to look as if I have a real life beauty filter on. Then I'll fill in my brows very lightly, tight lining my eyes, keeping it really light. This is Phantom Blur. It's kind of like Portrait Mode, but for the lips, except it's a lip stain. So now that I'm ready, I'm gonna go ahead and head over to the kitchen and begin the first course. It's become family tradition where my sister and we both cook Thanksgiving. She cooks it over at her place, I cook it here. She's in charge of the turkey, I'm in charge of the sides. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and check the fridge. I'm gonna start first with the chicken. Okay, now we're gonna begin with the chicken. I'm gonna be making this chicken not as the main course, but this is actually gonna go into the stuffing, but I'm gonna be using the drippings from this chicken and it's gonna go into the gravy, and that's the secret sauce. It's all about the drippings. Okay, this feels hot enough. First, skin down. Smells so good already. So I need cooking wine to be able to deglaze the drippings, but I don't have it. I don't even know what this is. It's product of France. So hopefully it works. Whoa, okay. Whoa. Let's hear the beauty of this. It's interesting because I think the champagne has fruit notes in it. Thanksgiving is really mostly about sides. Like, I know everyone obsesses over the turkey, but I feel like the MVP of Thanksgiving dinner are the sides. And this is why I am focusing on the sides. I've been cooking for a few hours, but not bad. I'm not as oily. So my Portrait Mode is so good, y'all. It is a real life beauty filter and a compact. My lip stain is still good, nice. I don't know why I'm obsessed with this drink. I don't even know what it's called, it's Chinese. Ever since I've been in China, I can't stop drinking this. If you want to make your mushrooms more savory, add soy sauce and let it marinate into the mushrooms. And we'll let that soak in. All right, now go ahead and add the mushrooms, and I'm gonna let that simmer in and melt, and it's just gonna become so gorgeous. While that's cooking, let's take a look at our gizzards. How has this guy been? So I'm gonna throw in a little bit of fish sauce to the gizzards to give it some flavor, some umami flavor. Pepper it, lots of pepper, because this is going to go into the stuffing. So I am cooking two things at once right now. Got these amazing long chopsticks. It's probably one of the best green bean casseroles I've ever made. Do you see how brown this is. This is the beauty of the soy sauce. I think it tastes so much better than plain, normal, traditional green bean casserole. Go ahead and put in the rest of the green beans. Look who just arrived. It's me. All right, we're gonna just go continue cooking. This is kind of like the last 3 hours. All right, this is the Christine technique.
Sense.
What is it again?
You massage like butter under the skin and you just massage the turkey.
Wow, so you massaged all
I'm getting
these turkey
there. I have
parts.
two more trays. But yeah, you just want to get it until it feels more like tender, you know?
Hi. Hey.
Wings, it's like the...
Hi, Mommy. Oh my gosh, my mom just came. Hi, Mommy. Oh my gosh, look who's there. Hi, baby. Look at you. Oh, wow. You got double sword. Hey, you look nice. She's been squatting there for the past 30 minutes.
Thought it was a little dry.
It was slightly. Oh, I know, baby. I'm gonna make your steak later. I know. Look at that.
Make it or break it. This is the only meat.
This is the only way for you?
This is the only meat. If I mess up the meat, we don't have anything else, you know?
I think it's okay. It's not end of the world.
Oh, thank you. You remember me? Oh.
Kenji. Thích nhìn.
Dễ thương.
Nhiều chuyện. Nó ham chơi.
Nó ham chơi không? Nó đâu có ham chơi đâu.
Nó ngoan lắm á.
Nó
You're such a
nó
good
có
boy.
cái mắt đẹp ha. Màu mắt đẹp.
Nó biết nên mình nói chuyện với nó.
Nó hiểu hả?
Nó hiểu mà.
Nó hiểu đẹp đẹp hả?
Of course, nó biết. Nó nhìn mặt tụi mình.
Không hiểu sao couple day ago I miss my dad, my mom very much.
Really?
Yeah, I cry. And
What made you think
I
of
get
them?
old, này vẫn còn nhớ.
She's so serious about this. Her face. Yeah, she's so like you're literally the money shot. What do you think, baby? Oh my gosh, this is the first batch, the thighs. It looks so good, dude. It looks juicy, well seasoned. I can't wait to taste it.
I don't know how people get that like burnt golden look. I don't know if it's just because it's dry.
It's the basting. That's what they're doing. You're basically painting it over and over again.
but I know.
But they do it a lot.
I know people don't be doing that shit. It just looks like dehydrated and dry, but it's like that golden. But it's like, is that what I really want? I don't know.
I mean, this is looking spectacular.
Like I know this is flavorful.
What do you think, baby? What do you think? Hey, what do you think? Okay. Bye.
So we're in the last 10-15 minutes.
Yep.
Time is wandering down.
Everyone's hungry. Everyone's getting anxious. Fluff it. Gonna add some of the meats that we made. This was the gizzards, the innards, the yummy, delicious chicken. Also gonna add a little bit more butter.
Can't
When I
go
say a
wrong with
little.
butter.
Nope, can't. I'm gonna turn it up even higher.
No, Mama Phan, don't be eating too much of this. The two-hand mix technique. I haven't seen this done before.
No, this is the first of its kind, even for me. I didn't even know this existed. It just came out
That's
of
some
me.
hand-eye coordination. That's what happens here in Chef's Kitchen.
Yep. Everything is done. So this is actually my video because everyone serves themselves, and so by the time I'm here, you could see the aftermath, but everyone is super happy. My mom, she's cooking. Oh, look at my mom, she's cleaning the kitchen. Mommy, mimi angdi. Okay. Christine knows my favorite part. I'm a flapper girl. I love a good flapper, and this is going to be my dish. Crystal's leftover.